All right, guys. So I was at the grocery store, and this new flavor came up of sparkling water. This is Perrier. Maison Perrier France Forever Lychee. So yeah, there you go. There's the nutrient panel. You guys want to read it? Pause the video. It does have some calcium in this, and yeah, kind of curious how well this one tastes. Contains no juice, so yeah. All right, let's try this out. Let's see if it's actually better than the newer bubbly flavors I've tried lately. So here we go. Okay, so it tastes okay. The carbonation is very, very mild. The lychee or lychee taste is very mild as well, which is actually a disappointment. It's okay. It's tolerable, but some of the newer bubbly flavors are way better. Like a good example is like the peach is pretty good. So it has a nice strong aroma. This is a very subtle aroma, and the carbonation is very, very little. It's like it barely fit, bare bones fizz. So, all right, guys, see more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.